part 2. So your frame of reference, again, the reason we're doing this is I'm giving you not only information, but strategies so we can dispel myths. So we're going to do a little neurobiological experiment because I believe that we have the propensity to develop strengths, but strengths that also can help us become much more self-determined. Even, they know now that the idea of developing dendritic connections across the brain happens until you die. Unless you have something like Alzheimer's that's really inhibiting that, we can keep growing in our brains, making these dendritic connections.